fast.
You're such a fast ninja.
So out of shape. I hope they're giving out inhalers. Need some extra air here.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
This is my friend Ben.
Hey Ben, how are you?
Oh, it's a pal.
I heard you and my dad went golfing last weekend.
We did.
Give me some Kit Kats?
I got you some Kit Kats.
You did give me some Kit Kats. I'm glad you're starting to remember. Go get some candy. They got a bunch up there. The Scarecrow? I'll go get you candy. Now watch out. Ooh, not the Scarecrow. Oh, see? It's totally fake. It's just hay. What kind of candy you want? You want chocolate?
Lollipop.
You want lollipops? Lollipops? Ah! Oh! Oh, I just shit my pants. I just shit my pants.
See that?